Namaskaram. I am Dr. Suresh Kannan. Welcome to Neurotherapy News and National Education Wings LMNT RTA. Actually, today we discuss about the cells in the stomach. Actually, we we know we know that about the stomach. That is like a J like look like J shape. It is a muscular sac, and after that it divided three part reasons there cardiac reasons, fundus, body, and pyloric reasons, four reasons there. So inside the stomach it's secreting lot of gastric juice, and the stomach has five types of cells. Okay, so the first one is mucous cells, second one is regenerative cells, third one is parietal cells, fourth one is um, endocrine cells, then fifth one is chief cells. Okay, so what are the secretions of mucous cells? First one, the mucus, it secreted mucus. What are the purpose? Actually, this is lubricating the chyme. Okay, because whatever we have food, that's name is food. When enter to the saliva is mixed with the saliva, it's called porous. When it enter to the stomach, it's called chyme. Okay, so next it will go to small intestine. So it mixed with some mucus. So it will be used for lubricating, and also it prevent for erosion, because there is HCl acid is there. Sometimes is aggravated, the level is increasing, maybe erosion is there. So mucus secretion is be solve that problems. Okay, that is mucus cells. Second one, that is regenerative cells. Okay, it's also called stem cells. What are the benefit of stem cells? Lot of the cells die due to high hydrochloric acid. For other factor also, sometimes the cells is die. Okay, so the stomach it regenerate itself. So automatically the stomach has, it is a regenerating cells, that stem cells is there. Okay, the third one, that is parietal cells. In parietal cells secreting three chemicals, like first one is HCl, hydrochloric acid, second one is instructive factors, third one is ghrelin. Okay, what are the purpose? Actually, the HCl, you know about HCl, this is very concentrating acid. I think pH level is 0.8. What are the purpose of HCl acid? The HCl acid activate pepsin and lingual lipase, and after that it kill the pathogens. Whatever we ingested pathogens, it kill the ingested pathogens, and after that hemoglobin synthesis. Okay, for hemoglobin synthesis we need iron. Okay, when what we are having food, okay, that is called ferric ions, that is Fe3 plus, that is ferric ion, whatever ingested iron, so it will be converted into Fe2, otherwise it will be waste product. Okay, so in presence of HCl only, the Fe3 plus, that is ferric ion, converted into Fe2 plus, that is ferrous ion, so the body will absorb. Okay, if HCl is not secreting, the Fe3 plus only going as a waste. Okay, it should be changed the Fe2 plus, ferrous ion. Okay, in presence of HCl only. Okay, then after that it will liquefy the food, it form the chyme. This is the functions of HCl. The next one is instructive factors. You know about same hemoglobin synthesis, we need vitamin B12. Okay, that is instructive factor secreted in stomach, and it bind with whatever you ingested vitamin B12, it bind with vitamin B12 and carry to small intestine. In villi it will be released in to absorb. Okay, without insect factor also vitamin B12 will not absorb. So the stomach should be working well. Okay, then because vitamin B12 deficiency it causes variceous anemia also. So that is iron, vitamin B12 is very good for hemoglobin synthesis. Okay. Then after that ghrelins, that is like a hormone. This is digestive regulating hormone. Appetites, not digestion. That is appetites only. Appetite regulating hormone is called ghrelin. It stimulated is secreted in stomach, the parietal cells. Okay. Then fourth one is endocrine cells. Actually, in our stomachs, I think around 20 chemical messenger is forming. Okay, actually, whatever brain secreting some hormone, same hormone producing in gut also. So they called gut brain peptides. Okay, that is example like a substance P, VAP hormone, cholecystokinin secreting GIP, gastrointestinal peptides, and neuropeptide Y. These are the chemical messenger in around 20 chemicals is there. Okay. Then last one is a cheap cells. Okay, that is the main. Because that is like enzyme like gastric lipase and pepsinogen is secreting. Okay, what are the purpose of gastric lipase? Actually, that is lipase, the lipid, LIP. It related to fat. So fat digestion is there. Okay, actually the fat digestion started in mouth. Okay, small amount. Then next in stomach. That is minimum 10 to 15% only digested fat in the stomach. Remaining digest in small intestine fat. Okay, it's used for uses for with gastric lipase. After that, pepsinogens. Actually, the pepsinogen commonly that is inactive protein is called zymogen. Okay, that is normally. So, with some factor, the removing the some amino acids, it become that is active in stomach. The zymogen is a pepsinogen that is inactive form. Okay, when with the presence of HCl hydrochloric acid, the pepsinogen converted into pepsin. Okay, the pepsin digests protein. So most of protein is digested in protein. Okay, so these are the secretion in gastric mean stomach. Actually, in the stomach per day minimum 2 to 3 liter per day it will be secreting gastric juice only 2 to 3 liters secreted per day. So I you understand about the secretion of stomachs, the cell, different type of cells is there. So in our neurotherapy, what is the treatment? That is 6 gas only. Okay, so 6 gas only giving lot of benefits. Okay, it linked with a lot. So you have to link with because we can make formula from this also. So you will study it well, and if you have any doubt, you can do in comments box also. Otherwise, you know my numbers. You can contact with me by WhatsApp. I will tell you a reply. Thank you so much.